Hi there, do you want to know what it's like to be a student at IIM Indore? Hold on, let me take you on a ride. Welcome to IIM Indore, or as we like to call it, Planet I, a place where every day counts. Are you ready? Here we go.
Established in 1996, Indian Institute of Management has emerged as a leader in management education. In fact, it has consistently been ranked amongst the top preschools in the country. We are the second IIM to be glorified with the Triple Crown, having received 3 prominent accreditations: Association of MBA, AMBA UK, Association to Advanced Collegiate Studies of Business, AACSB USA, and EQUIS, European Union. Situated atop a scenic hillock, the 193-acre campus forms an ideal backdrop for contemplative learning. Greeted with a beautiful fountain right outside the reception and the iconic arches of the building, the academic block is the place where knowledge, wisdom, learning, and fun are embedded in every nook and corner. Oh, and we've got the Fact Mess and D Block canteen for the hunger pangs too. Complete with over 10 blocks, it is an architectural marvel and a sight to behold in every season.
With students coming in from across the country, the Institute provides an opportunity for collaborative learning, turning students into socially conscious managers. IIM Indore hosts a variety of both academic and executive management programs ranging from the flagship PGP, EPGP, IPM, FPM, MDP, and many more. The Institute has also reached nearly 1-to-1 sex ratio, providing a diverse and inclusive environment to shape the minds of future leaders. With spacious classrooms up to date with the latest technologies, highly experienced in-house faculty, as well as leading professionals coming in as guest lecturers, the Institute has truly earned its title as one of the best IIMs in the country.
IIM Indore believes in experiential learning and offers its students once-in-a-lifetime opportunities. The Rural Engagement Program sensitizes students about the daily lives of rural India and gives insights regarding the implementation of various government schemes and initiatives. On the other hand, the Himalayan Outbound Program tries to inculcate the importance of working as a team among students and lead themselves towards a journey of discovering themselves. Finally, the Foreign Exchange Program exposes students to new cultures and leading international institutions. With more than 100 partner universities, the students can opt to spend a term in several nations including France, Italy, New Zealand, etc.
Spread across 27,000 square feet, the IIMI Learning Center offers a large collection of knowledge resources and innovative information services, filling an essential requisite in the intellectual pursuits of our students, faculty, and surrounding community. Consisting of an elaborate collection of books, print journals, magazines, e-collection, and online databases, the Learning Center provides the perfect ambience for reading and reflection. The Institute's 2 state-of-the-art auditoriums offer a seating capacity of over 1,000 and host all exciting events and ceremonies, including latest movie screenings and exciting gaming events.
The 18 hostel blocks, with their spacious rooms and superior facilities, ensure that the students feel right at home in the campus. Single room and sharing accommodation facilities are available across the campus premises with separate blocks for men and women. Aesthetically designed, the hostel blocks are spread around the canteen with facilities of common rooms equipped with mounted televisions, table tennis tables, caroms, and chess. Some of the hostels are also equipped with lawns, badminton, and basketball courts. The rooms are furnished with teak-cot mattresses and a computer table, chairs, closets, and shelves. Washing machines and on-campus laundry and salon services ensure that all the students' needs are met. The student rooms have full-time internet connectivity through Wi-Fi and direct lines to the main LAN.
Our 5 different messes try to satiate your taste buds with both Indian and international cuisines. We've also got amazing lip-smacking dishes from Amul, Nescafe, Tea Post, Chicken Serve, Adda, and Mars to bring in a variety. We've also got a student-run initiative called Jam, where you can find amazing food options. And with the late-night option of the night mess, we promise you that you won't go to bed hungry. The sports facilities on campus are every enthusiast's dream. The magnificent cricket ground, the picturesque basketball field, and the Olympic-sized swimming pool are things you cannot miss. The indoor facilities include the billiards table, the chess boards and the carom boards are amazing places to be. Apart from this, the other facilities also include our 2 indoor gyms with the latest equipment and the newly opened outdoor gym with 4 badminton courts, 2 basketball courts, a football field, 1 lawn tennis court, a couple of volleyball courts, a squash court, a TT tables, you get the drift.
One of the most distinctive features of this campus is that most of the things are run by students. The Students' Activity Council is the channel through which the student body undertakes most of its endeavors. Elected by the participants each year, the SAC is the source of administration, merrymaking and entertainment. Student-organized fests such as IRIS, the Annual Management and Cultural Fest, or Utsaah, the Marketing Fest, give students a chance to assume leadership roles and organize events of large magnitudes, garnering participation from hundreds of colleges across India. Although every day is a celebration at Planeti, the Institute hosts several cultural events and celebrates all the major festivals with all its heart. Hosted by various student bodies and administration, these celebrations are a gateway to different cultures across the world.
In line with IIM Indore's vision for social responsibility, the students and administration undertake several initiatives for the betterment of society and the environment. Such initiatives include tree plantation drives, blood donation camps, and teaching underprivileged children.
Get ready to have your breath taken away by the views of the Sunset Point. Providing a stunning view of the city, the spot is an instant student favorite and is a great escape from the daily hectic life. You can always find students walking around here, enjoying the nature around them. That's not all. The spiritual garden with its scenic beauty and a calming aura is a great place to relax and enjoy nature at its best.
A trip to the city can be a great break from campus life. The campus-provided shuttle bus services make it easy to plan trips to this food-loving city and explore fun destinations in Indore. The student-run initiative Pie Shop and KK Traders are your one-stop solution for all kinds of supplies to meet your daily needs. Apart from this, we've also got a fresh fruits and vegetables outlet right here on campus. Anything and everything that you might need, we've got you covered.
Apart from State Bank of India office and 2 ATMs at the campus, IIM Indore also has SBI e-Corner with all advanced banking facilities like internet kiosk system, ATM, cash deposit machine and Swayam. The medical center is open for you 24/7 for any kind of need, big or small. The pharmacy is well equipped and there's always a doctor and ambulance available on call. Online shopping is convenient with dedicated postal services available on campus.
These experiences are for life, and with all the fun, relationships and knowledge that come your way, it's hard not to fall in love with this place that we now call home.